All right, we got this amazing 16-speed Oster blender. This thing is absolutely amazing. It goes up to 5 cups in there. You can take this piece off to do whatever you want in there, add some stuff, whatever. This is also a measuring cup that you can just dump in like so. Take that off. There's what it looks like down in there. Let's put this back on. Let's pretend that we've got some stuff in there. This thing is so powerful, so effective at blending whatever you want. So there's these different settings. You got the ice crush, grate, blend, shred, grind, mash, liquefy, and frappe. So I'm just going to start with the ice crush. You're going to hear it. There we go. Now I'm going to go through all these different settings right now really quick. So we got the grate. So a little bit lower setting. Slowly go up. Slowly going up. Slowly going up. Here's the last setting. Then you've also got this to go from low to high. Press that over. Goes high. So this thing is absolutely amazing. You want to make a smoothie, you want to blend, whatever you want to blend. This is what you want. The 16-speed Oster. Highly recommend.